Hello and welcome back to my channel Hill Tutorial. In this video I will tell you how to simulate a down counter with reset. But the question is little bit tricky here. Okay, that means it will be a down counter but it will start counting from 7 and it will go up to 0 and it will reset. Okay, so like this thing will happen in this counter. So how to make like that a counter? So just remove this one, okay, and place it is here. Okay, so now this one will go here, and here I will take one relational operator. Okay, this is the relational operator, and this one I will take. It will be given here, and this one will be compared with 0. Okay, and this delay output. Okay, and now I again copy and paste this one here, and here where from you want to start the counter. So suppose I want to start from 7, so I will take 7 here, and instead of -5 here we have to take this one. Okay, equal 0. Okay, now the concept behind this is that it will start from 7, okay, whenever it is not 0. Okay, the output of this simulation, this switch is not 0 till it will start counting from 7 and it will go down towards 0. So once 0 will occur, okay, then what will happen? Okay, 0 will be counted here, so it will be compared with this 0. So once that comparison happen, it will reset to 7. So like this counter will actually work. So now I will simulate it. So now you can see the counter is started from 7 and it is started the count and it is counting. Okay, once it is reached 0, it is reset to 7. Okay, and again this process will continue. So this is how we can create a down counter with a specific reset. Okay, so thank you. I hope this video will be helpful for preparing yourself in a model-based design interview, okay, especially for automotive domain. Thank you for watching my videos and subscribing my channel.